One of my favorite Thai food dishes is chicken pad see ew, and that's exactly what we're making today. If you're like me and love Thai food but hate how expensive eating out has become, then you'll love today's recipe. This wide rice noodle dish is full of flavor and is great for lunch meals. You can either meal prep it for the week or make it fresh daily to eat. Whatever the plan, let's get cooking. Crush 3 garlic cloves. Cut up about 1.5 cups of gailan, aka Chinese broccoli. Broccoli crowns can also be used. Cut our rice rolls or rice noodles into long 1-inch wide strips. Thinly cut 2 chicken thighs into strips. For the chicken marinade, add a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and mix together. Let marinate for at least 30 minutes. For the sauce, mix together 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix. We'll also prepare 1 egg on the side. Heat up some oil on a wok set to high heat. Add our garlic. Then add the marinated chicken. Toss this all together and allow the chicken to cook. Once the chicken is mostly cooked, add our gailan stems. Mix together. And then once this is also cooked, add the gailan leaves. If you're using broccoli, go ahead and add the broccoli. Once cooked for about 2 minutes, add the egg, and then mix together. Set this aside and then heat up the rice noodles with the sauce. Make sure to toss around the noodles so that the noodles soak up the sauce. Once the noodles have really soaked up the sauce, add back our chicken. Toss it all together again. And boom, we have chicken pad see ew. This meal tastes great for lunch, and if you like other protein pad see ew like tofu or pork, then feel free to use that instead. Thai food is one of those meals well loved, and learning how to make it at home is worth trying out. If you like Thai food like this, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite Thai food dish is.